Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw Shiba Inu from MetaMask. It's quite easy to get this done. Make sure you're on the Ethereum main network and the token is enabled or activated. Once you have the Shiba Inu on your wallet, in order to withdraw it from here, you're going to need the Ethereum on your wallet to pay for the transactions as well as the gas fees. So in order to withdraw, click on the Shiba Inu, scroll down and click on the send option. Once you've entered the send menu, simply enter the amount of Shiba Inu you wish to send, but you have to provide an address first. And the address, we're going to be getting it from either a wallet or an exchange. The exchange I'll be working with for today's video is Binance. So in order to get the Binance address, click on the Binance app. Once the app is opened up, make sure you have an account. And if you don't have an account, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, register and you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT when you verify your account. So guys, click on the deposit option. Once you select the deposit, click on SHIB or search for the Shiba Inu. Once you search for the Shiba Inu, enter the ERC20 network as the network to receive in. Click on the copy of wallet address, minimize, open up your MetaMask, paste this address there. Once you've pasted the address, please note that you need Ethereum in your wallet to perform the transactions. Otherwise, you can click on buy Ethereum and you can buy the Ethereum using your card, your Google Pay card, your debit or credit card, or any card you have. Once you've purchased the Ethereum, click on next, and then you get to send over your Shiba Inu to Binance. And once your Shiba Inu has been sent to Binance, you could confirm it by heading to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen, scrolling from the overview to the spot or funding, depending on where the Shiba Inu is meant to be deposited, and you'd find it there. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.